Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Descript versus Recut. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now right away, as you know, Descript is an all-in-one video editor, while Recut is basically like a tool that you could use to help you edit your videos. Descript offers you video editing, podcast, screen recording, transcription, clip creation, and publishing over here. While in Recut, it's basically a feature or like a one-feature tool, but allows you to remove silence from your videos, which is very useful for a lot of people. It will automatically remove all the silent sections of your video, and you will save a lot of hours and even days editing out silence from your videos. And it is still very good, but as you can see, Descript has a lot more features compared to Recut, but it has its own benefits as well. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.